How to make money using Spocket? Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about how to make money using Spocket. Spocket is a dropshipping platform that allows you to sell products from other companies without having to carry any inventory yourself. This makes it a great way to start an online business with little to no upfront investment. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for Spocket, find profitable products to sell, and create a successful dropshipping store. What is Spocket? Before we get started, let's take a quick look at what Spocket is and how it works. Spocket is a dropshipping platform that connects you with suppliers around the world. You can browse their products and add them to your store with just a few clicks. When a customer places an order, Spocket will automatically place the order with the supplier on your behalf. The supplier will then ship the product directly to your customer. How to sign up for Spocket? Signing up for Spocket is easy. Just go to their website and click on the Sign Up button. You'll need to provide some basic information, such as your name, email address, and password. Once you've signed up, you'll be able to create a free account. However, you'll need to upgrade to a paid plan to start selling products. How to find profitable products to sell? Once you've signed up for Spocket, you'll need to find some profitable products to sell. There are a few different ways to do this. You can use the Spocket product search tool to find products that are trending or in high demand. You can browse the Spocket marketplace to see what other sellers are selling. You can use Google Trends to see what people are searching for online. Once you've found a product that you think you can sell, be sure to do your research and make sure that it is profitable. You can do this by checking the product's price, shipping cost, and profit margin. How to create a successful dropshipping store? Once you've found some profitable products to sell, you'll need to create a dropshipping store. There are a number of different platforms that you can use to do this, such as Shopify, WooCommerce, or Wix. Once you've created your store, you'll need to add your products and start marketing your business. You can do this by using social media, email marketing, and paid advertising. Tips for success. Here are a few tips for making money with Spocket. Choose products that are in high demand and have low competition. Offer competitive prices and fast shipping. Provide excellent customer service. Use social media and other marketing channels to promote your store. Spocket is a great way to start an online business with little to no upfront investment. By following the tips in this video, you can make money using Spocket. If you're interested in learning more about Spocket, be sure to check out their website and sign up for a free account. Thanks for watching.